Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify UI regression testing with Percy step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Percy account. Navigate to the project you want to verify. Ensure your web application is running. Set up your testing environment if you haven't already. Install the necessary Percy SDK for your testing framework. For JavaScript projects, run the command to install the Percy CLI. Initialize Percy in your test script. Add the Percy snapshot command where you want to capture the UI state. Run your tests to capture snapshots. Once the tests are complete, head back to the Percy dashboard. You will see the newly created snapshots in your project. Click on a snapshot to view the comparison. Percy will display the current UI alongside the baseline. Review the differences highlighted in red and green. Focus on the sections of the UI that have changed. You can also add comments for your team to review. If everything looks good, approve the changes. If you find discrepancies, leave feedback for the developers. Once you approve, Percy will save the new baseline image. Repeat this process for each UI component tested. Consistency is key, so ensure to document any changes in your testing logs. Review your project frequently to catch any regressions early. With these steps, you should be well equipped to verify UI regression testing using Percy effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.